Beauty Palette, Volume 1, and we're going to be doing a sparkling champagne look. This look is going to be beautiful yet subtle, and it's the perfect look for going out during the daytime with a couple of friends and hanging out. Nothing attention getting, but just absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to be starting off with Soothe Matte. And that's going right in my crease. And a little bit above. For some depth, I'm going to go into the Rouge Ritual and in the matte shade. That's going into my outer V. Just placing that in there very softly. I'm going to blend that out. The next shade I'm going to be using is called Aura. It's the nice creamy shade. And I'm mixing the matte and the shimmer together for that one. Those together. Okay, now we're going to go into the lower lash line, and we're going to combine Ritual and Soothe, those two matte shades together. To combine the glitters from Soothe and Ritual together, and I'm just going to take that all over the top area, just in different places, just to create that bubbly champagne look. forgot to do is add my eyeliner before the glitter, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that and then finish up some glitter. But this is my L'Oreal Cat Eye eyeliner, and it's a liquid eyeliner, and it has such a beautiful tip on it. It's very flexible but very precise. I'm going to add a little bit of the glitter from the Aura in the inner corner. Bringing that into the lower lash line. I like it. And now I'm going to use mascara, and this is the Chanel Le Base and the Chanel Le Volume. The Le Base has a nice white mascara formula that allows the Le Volume to adhere to it and stay put. Now, to finish this look, I'm going to line my lips with some Kat Von D lip liner. And this is a brown shade. And now I'm going to use a Chanel lipstick called Rouge Allure. And with this, you just press the bottom and pull up. I would not have known that if I had not watched Erin Nicole. She does luxury makeup videos, and she happened to use one of these lipsticks here, and I was really impressed. by how that works. Now remember, I only said that the eye look would be a very subtle look, not the lips. So, this is the final look. What do you think? I hope you enjoyed seeing the sparkling champagne makeup look come to its full fruition. And I hope that this allowed your creative juices to flow with creating a subtle eye look with a bold lip. I want to thank you all so much for watching. If you are new, please don't hesitate to subscribe, especially if you enjoyed this video. And if you subscribe, don't forget to click on that bell and click on the word all, because if you click on anything else, you may not receive a notification on any of my videos. All allows you to receive all of my notifications and allow you to pick which videos you want to watch. And thank you, my full-time, all the time Guru family. I love you so much. Well, I thank you all so much for watching. Take care, have a blessed day, and I will see you all on the next video. God willing, take care. Bye-bye.